Hello students, good morning. How are you? Welcome to maths class. Yesterday we discussed about the method how to find the square root by using prime factorization method. And today I am going to discuss the one more method. The name of that method is tens and ones method. What you have to do in tens and ones method, the square root of perfect square up to 4 digits can be easily found by using ones and tens method. Let's learn from the given steps how should we use this. Observe the digit in the ones place in the number. Whatever be the number is given, in that observe the ones place digit. It will help us to determine the ones place digit of the square root number. Now remove the last two digits from the right end of the number. Consider the leftover number and determine the largest one digit number whose square is less than or equal to this leftover number. This is the tenth digit of the square root. Let us explain it with an example. Example is what? Find the square root of 1024. Find square root of 1024 by using this method, tens and ones method, tens and ones method, tens method and ones method, tens and ones method. So beta, listen, write the given number, this one. Now what you have to do, you just take the first number, digit at ones place. This one is 4, and it will help you to find the digit at ones place of the square root of this number. So what is the unit digit number? Unit digit is 4. So therefore, unit digit at square root of 1024 is what? Now you have to think a number such that whose square is ending at 4. When this unit digit is 4, now you have to think about a number whose square is ending at 4. This type of number is R. Two numbers are there. R 2 or square of 2 is 4, and another number whose square is also ending at 4, that is 8. 8 square is also ending at 4 because it is 64. Now it is clear that the square root of 1024 will be ending at 2 or 8. So keep these numbers for future use. This either 2 or 8 will be the unit digit in square root of 1024. Now what you have to do, you remove the last two digits from the right of the given number. Remove these two digits from the right. From the right, these two digits, 4 and 2. Remove these. What is the left number? 10. Remove last two digits from end, that is 24. So remove 24 from here. We will left with 10 only. Now what you have to do, you just think a number whose square is just less than 10 or just equal to 10. Find a number whose square is equal to 10 or less than 10. One digit number. Think a one digit number, just like 1 square, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 16 is greater than 10. So that number is 3, because 3 square is equal to 9 and 9 is less than 10, just less than 10. So therefore the tens digit in square root of 1024 is 3. And what are the units place digit? 2 or 8. So hence square root of 1024 either 32, because tens digit is this and ones digit is either 2, or 8 or 38. Now we should check what is 32 square or what is 38 square. Beta 32 square is what? 32 square is 1024. And what is 38 square? It is 1444. 1444. So therefore 32 square is this. So under root of 1022 is, under root of 1024 is 32. This is the answer. Clear it is? Now let us take one more example. What is this? I am taking from the exercise 1764. Find the square root of 1764 by using this method. What is it? Solution is here. Write 1764. So first you go this unit digit. What is the unit digit in this? 4. So therefore unit digit of square root of 1764 are, now think a number whose square is ending at 4. So same it is 2 or 8. 2 square 4 or 8 square is 4. So it is 2 or 8. Now from right, left, the extreme right side 2 digit. Only 17 is left. Now 17. Now you have to think what? In one digit number whose square is just less than 17 or equal to 17. 17 तो किसी का स्क्वायर होता नहीं है. तो 4 square, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So 4 square is less than 17. So because 4 square is less than 17, therefore tens digit of under root 1764 is 4. Hence, square root of this 1764 is either, what is it? This one is tens place digit and these two possibles are units place digit. So it is 42 or 48. Now we have to select which one is the answer. How can you find it? Multiply 42 by 42, that is check what is the 42 square and what is 48 square. Multiply these two, multiply 42 by 42. What we will get? Multiply it, 42 into 42 is what? Yes, beta. 42 into 42, you always get the same. That is 1764. You can do it, check it by calculator also. So under root 1764 is equal to 42. 48 into 48 is something else. So students, in this way you can find the square root of 4-digit numbers by using this method easily. I am saying easily you can find the square root of 4-digit numbers. It is applicable in this. So up to 4-digit you can find, 3 digits also. If anyone in the exercise, you can also check it. If any doubt, you can write in comments also, or you ask me. Then students, if you practice it perfectly, you can achieve anything. Mathematics is a sensitive subject, not difficult subject. Only 100% concentration is required. If concentration is break, then mistake will be there. Savdhani hati, durghatna ghati. They follow this rule, and all the best. Thank you.